Tighten this. And that's it. Already gone. And that's all it is. Relax all the way through. And it's gone. Beautiful. Good, perfect. Oh. Relax that shoulder a lot more.
Wow.
Keep coming. Yeah, that's it. Relax your shoulders. Let the head fall forward. There it was. Nice. That's it. Small but powerful. Now let your body go loose. Let it fall. That's it. Beautiful. I'll push down real deep there. Oh, I already got it. Oh, good. So there was a little something. There we go. That's it. Good. Nice. Is it worth coming and getting ABC?
Yep, I love it.
Worth the difference?
Yep.
Felt the difference?
I definitely feel the difference.
Is it worth coming?
Yeah,
Would
definitely
you
worth
say?
coming. I would
Yeah.
definitely say come by.
Was it worth